Dun, dun, dun. It's a show time. So this is our bend pipe, the mid pipe, जो यहाँ लगेगा cat के जगह पे. Then these are some sticker and loops in manual. This is the servo body. I ordered it extra, so I can terminate the servo motor and reduce more some weight. Also, these are the attachments for mid pipe and exhaust. And finally, this is Arrow Titanium Pro exhaust. I'll show you. What a beautiful finish. Look at this titanium. Already changing colors. Son of ugly bitch. Fat ass. So I finally removed the muffler and the slip on like the last end can. This is, and you will see there is a still catalytic converter or say filter in headers. This is the headers, main headers. This there will be the link pipe here. So this is the lubricant. This one. We get it the Arrow exhaust, and we have to apply it so that we don't scratch like I did. See, like I did. So don't think of without applying this lubricant. So these are the servo motor cables which directly goes into the exhaust, so they can operate and manage the butterfly valve. And this is the servo motor which I removed from here, and it's also heavy, so I have reduced a lot of weight, 10 kgs of exhaust, and probably this around 700 grams. Also this cable I'll remove. These are the two cables which goes through the servo motor. So finally I have the Arrow exhaust, full titanium race pro. The headers of this 6R is already titanium, so I don't think I need to upgrade the full system. So this is the weight loss. This is around 10 kgs of more weight. Also I have removed the servo motor of this and I've uploaded the servo body kit. Now let's hear the sound with baffle. Okay, this has the baffle inside. We can remove it. So now I have removed the screw of baffle which is placed here. Now this is the baffle, okay, and that's the fucking Arrow. Yeah boy. Let's hear it without the baffle.